Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot and record screen on your Redmi 17. The most basic way to take a screenshot on your phone is by pressing the power button and volume down key at the same time. The other way is a gesture screenshot. Simply swipe down 3 fingers on your screen and it will also take a screenshot. The last way to take a screenshot is by swiping down the control center and selecting the screenshot tile. After you tap on it, the screenshot will be made. In order to record the screen on your device, however, we're gonna have to swipe down the control center once again and find the screen recording tile in here. And if you don't see it here, go to the second page, tap Edit, and let's find the screen recording tile together. Here we have it. Let's hold finger down on the screen recording tile and move it up so we can see it in the control center, then tap Done, and now tap on the screen recorded tile and adjust the screen recording settings. Give it the permissions. This will open this toolbar. Now to adjust the settings, we have to tap the gear icon right here, where we can change the resolution, video quality, the sound recording sources, and the rest of the settings. To start a screen recording, you have to simply tap this red circle, and to finish, just tap this red square. We can go to the folder with screen recordings and watch our previously made ones. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.